Some people want cars, some people want shoes. I want a Louis Vuitton bag.
Right now, it's a press bitch that's watching me from some fake pages. Close friends turn to enemies, cause really all the bitches been hating. Be direct when you tryna throw shots, otherwise fuck what you saying. Mention me for attention, crazy how these hoes really be clout chasing. Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder.
Hey boss babes, it's your girl Tiara, where we slay the pretty way. Welcome to Pretty Entrepreneur, you guys. I'm back with another video, you guys. I am being very consistent with these videos. I'm actually proud of myself, because y'all, when I say I be busy, I be busy. So it's kind of hard to like even get these like videos in. So I'm trying, y'all. Thanks for watching though. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for bearing with me. And y'all know how I like to do it. Let's just get straight into this video, okay? So what I am wanting to talk to you guys about today is how I made $10,000 my first month of launch. You guys, I've been in business for a while now. And I'm obviously doing a lot better than I did the first time that I launched. But the fact that I made $10,000 my first month and I got receipts, don't worry, I will put those receipts in this video. I'm gonna find out how. I really don't know how to get it on the camera. I may just have to like pull it up and just like show y'all on my laptop or something. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But anyways, you guys, I made literally $10,000 my first month of my launch. And I wanna tell you guys how I did it. I wanna tell you guys, give you guys some tips and some secrets on how you can make $10,000. I don't care if you've been in business for 7 months now. Your next month, I'm gonna tell you what I did on how to make $10,000 if I can talk. Y'all know I had to pull out my handy dandy notebook. I can't just talk on the top of my freaking brain. I gotta write stuff down. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about, and this is like the major thing of what I did my first month of launch. You guys, I prepped. I did my prep work and I did my research. Those two are so important. You gotta know the field that you are in. You gotta be knowledgeable. So I did my prep work and I did my research. I saw what was missing in the market. As you guys know, I do wholesale. I wholesale cosmetics, and I do it in a very like unique way than most of these other wholesalers that are out there, because there are a lot of wholesalers out there. Okay, so I do mine in a very unique way. I have all these different types of products that I offer. I have these services that I offer, and I saw that was missing with a lot of other cosmetic wholesales. So I put my little spin and my little twist on it, which allowed me to put myself ahead just a little bit of the other competition. So you guys, it's very important to do your research, to prep. You gotta prep for this. Like, that is so important. You can't just wake up one morning and be like, oh, I'm gonna start a cosmetic wholesale, and then like the next day get on social media talking about you wholesale cosmetics now. Wasn't you just doing something else like yesterday? So no, you can't do that. You have to prep for this. So I suggest you just have everything up and ready to go for when you do get that first sale. You're not slacking when it comes to the orders getting out, because you're new. You want people to trust you. People have to trust you, because if they trust you, they're going to tell their friends, and their friends are going to tell their friends, and that's how you're going to get the business and the momentum of your business going. So you guys, be prepped, do your research, period. That's all I got for that one. Okay, so next thing is social media. With social media, like I literally, like I said, the first month I made $10,000, and that's because my social media account, like I prepped my social media account before I launched. Like I made sure I had all these pictures and videos of things that, things that I was gonna be wholesaling and selling, and like I just made my Instagram look all pretty. That way, when people did start following me, when I started follow other people, they can see my Instagram and they're like, oh, cute, this is cute. I want to follow her back. What is she doing? Like, I'm interested. So I was kind of getting people excited for me, so my social media was prepped before I even launched. And when I did launch, guys, I didn't make my launch into a big deal. And I think I mentioned this before, like I didn't really sell myself as being someone who was just starting out. I wanted to sell myself as if I was the person that's been doing this for years. And you guys, you guys are missing out if you're not buying from me, because I've been around for a while. Like, I didn't tell people like that if someone asked how long I've been in business for, I didn't say, 5 years. No, I was honest, but I didn't really shout that out on any of my social media accounts that I just launched, because I didn't really want to be represented as someone new, because as I mentioned before, one of my last videos, they are scared to buy from you when they find out that you are just like new, up and coming. A lot of people are. They're going to be scared to buy from you. So I didn't want to put that out there. So I think that really helped me big time, like as well with getting sales. Yeah, guys. Oh, I'm like, that candle is smelling like it's burning over there. Put my hair to the front. Also, guys, most of Dream Boss Babe sales come from social media. So another big thing that I did when I first started off, when it was literally just me, I made sure that my customer service was on point. I was very responsive. Now, I know that there's a lot of people, I know that there's people out there who are rude, who are very unresponsive when it comes to inquiries. I know that because like I said, I did my research. I want to know how other people represented their company. So I remember I called a few places, I DM'd a few places, and a lot of it was like, a lot of people would respond to me with like one word answers. They wouldn't greet me properly. Like, it was just like, I'm like, really? Like, I don't want to even buy from you guys. I remember I had one customer who reached out to me and wanted to specifically buy from me because she heard that our customer service was perfect. And she said that she went through a situation where she was going to order from someone else, but they were completely rude to her and she changed her mind. So you guys, that's another big thing. You are a new business. You want people, I don't care. Matter of fact, I don't care if you're an old business. Like, you know, customer service is everything. That's how you keep your customers. That's how you get people to trust you, get people to like you, get people to want to buy from you over and over again, and not just like that one time. So you guys, customer service has to be on point. And I think that really helped me too. It allowed me to pull my customers in and allowed them to trust me right away, right off the bat. And that got me sales, the sales that I got, like, you know, during that first month. So that's a big one, you guys. Y'all better not be out there being rude to people who trying to buy from y'all, period. So another thing that I feel like was helpful, you guys, this is probably going to be one of my best tips that I'm going to give you. Don't allow email to be the only source of contact. If you are doing wholesale, I feel like you can really grab your customers best when you have a way that they can speak to you verbally, like over the phone. And people trust that so much more. They trust that so much more. They want to hear your voice. They want to hear who they're talking to. They want to make sure that they're talking to someone who sounds like they at least know their products and know what they're doing. So if you can get a phone number, you guys, GoDaddy has like a way where you can get your own phone number while keeping your phone. You don't have to go out and buy a new phone. Unless you really wanted to, you can do that as well. But I highly suggest having a phone number where people can call you. And I'm telling you, you can reach your customers, or you can get better sales when you're talking to someone verbally on the phone, because like I said, it's that trust factor. You make them feel warm inside when you're speaking to them, knowing what you're talking about, you know, sounding really pleasant and nice, like, you guys. So if you can get a phone number and use that as a form of contact to allow your customers to call you, that is really going to help you. Straight up, that is really going to help you. Okay, so the last thing I want to say that really helped me with my sales that first month where I made $10,000 was, you guys, my hustle, my passion, my drive. When I tell you guys that I would go to sleep at like 4 a.m, wake up at like 6 a.m, like, you know, I just knew that I didn't want to continue to work a 9 to 5. I just wanted to be my own boss, you guys. And I really, really am proud to say, like, I'm proud of where I am right now. I know that I still got a while to go, but I'm on the right path. So all my boss babes out there, you guys, you have to hustle hard. You have to go to sleep later, wake up earlier still. You have to want this. You have to want it. You have to not give up. You have to see how you can stand out. You have to see what is going to separate you from the rest. You just got to keep pushing. You got to keep going. You are going to get those sales. Do not worry. If you've been doing this for a while and you're like, oh, damn, like I still haven't really made any, you know, I still haven't really made any sales. What am I doing wrong? As long as I don't know if you watched any of my other videos of the things that I've said, but as long as you're doing all those things, like, you're not doing anything wrong. You just got to keep going. People that you are watching, I say this all the time, they see you. I see you. Keep going, okay? But yes, guys, so before I end this video, let's get to also what this video was about. I mean, I brought my first, I'm not gonna lie, this is my first Louis Vuitton. I bought this like a while ago, actually, like maybe 2 weeks ago. But, and I'm not gonna lie, I wore it already, so this is not a first time opening. I already wore it, but I'm gonna do this video as if it was a first time opening. Okay, so this is the bag. Oh, look at this. Gotta get the thumbnail. Okay, so anyways, this is the Louis Vuitton bag, you guys. I'm excited. So, even though I wore this already, we're gonna act like I did it. Okay, we're gonna open it as if I did it. So, you guys, isn't this so cute? Look how cute this is. It's just so like wrapped nicely and beautiful. Oh, God. Okay, can I also show you guys? They put the receipt in here. How classy is this, y'all? This, I still can't believe how much money I spent on this bag, y'all. I don't even want to tell y'all how much I spent on this bag because you're gonna be like, you really spent that amount of money on a Louis Vuitton bag? I sure did. And guess what? I'm gonna get me another one and I cannot wait. But so guys, look, isn't she beautiful? So this is actually one of their newest bags. Okay, so I went into the Louis Vuitton store. I was like, okay, I want to get the Neverfull. Like I've never had Louis Vuitton before, and I'm like, okay, ooh, when I finally can get Louis Vuitton, I want to be the Neverfull. This has been for years. I've always said I wanted the Neverfull. So, and I went in, I saw the Neverfull, and I'm like, I don't want the Neverfull. Like, no, I work too hard. So, what else you got? And she showed me this one, and I'm like, I fell in love with this, you guys. This bag is just so, I am obsessed. They give you like this little lock. I guess Louis Vuitton, he got into locks or something. I have no idea. Anyways, it's like a lock and they have a key. You can take the key off anytime, but it says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. You guys, this purse is just so cute. And then the inside looks like this. It has like the Louis Vuitton. You guys, I don't know if you can see it, but y'all, this was my gift. I was like, I have to buy me something that I've always wanted. And it's always been a Louis Vuitton bag. Like, some people want cars, some people want shoes. I wanted a Louis Vuitton bag and I got it finally. I was super excited when I got it. And y'all, this, let me look at how much this was again. Whew. Y'all, guess in the comments below how much this bag was. Just take a wild guess. But anyways, guys, that is enough for the Louis Vuitton. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys found inspiration in this video. I hope that you guys can take some of the pointers that I suggested and take it back and use it and see how that affects your sales and you getting customers. So other than that, you guys, I am out until the next video. Before I leave, actually, make sure you comment below. Tell me what you think of this little cute little bag, but also tell me what you think about the tips that I gave, and if you have any extra tips for all my senior people out there who's been doing cosmetic wholesale for a while and actually doing really good with sales. If you have any advice to give the people down below, that'll be great. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, with your homegirls, let them know what's up. Now I'm out. Ciao.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I'm that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold you. I'm that bitch, man, I thought that they told you.